my mind. All I hear is music, watching your mouth move. Damn, you look stupid. I feel like.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well. We are gonna have a double music video reaction like I had promised. Okay, this is the one. Let me just read what the title says. The first one is gonna be a Hindi song from the movie Durandar the Revenge. Second one, I'm not sure. I think this is a Tamil song. We'll get into it one by one. So the first one is Jaye Sajna. I hope that's how you pronounce it. Jaye Sajna, or is it Jay Sajna? Little confused. You can correct me. The first or the second one. One of it is probably right. If both are wrong, apologies. Okay, right away, apologies to you. Durandar the Revenge is the movie's name. I'll just go through the description and then we can jump. For this song, the most awaited video song is here. I hope you're waiting for this. An Aditya Dar film, Durandar the Revenge, written, directed and produced by Aditya Dar. Sachwat Sachdev musical. Cast would be Ranveer Singh, Sanjay Dutt, R. Madhavan, Arjun Rampal and Sara Arjun. Song is Jaye Sajna. Music Sachwat. Singer Jasmine Sandlas and Satinder Sartaj. Lyrics is by Satinder Sartaj and Jasmine. Okay, they both have done it. Mixed and mastered by Akash, and music label is T Series. They have actually given the whole lyrics in the description as well. So in case you want to look into it, you can. I've turned on the captions and here we go. Sounds so good. So it's the after effects of what happened, right? After he died. This part is nice. अरे बाप रे, कैप्शंस को क्या हो रहा है? She is obviously mad. The voice complements the beat so much. People just staring the photographs. All your hopes were destroyed, no? With Rahman the Khaith being gone. He was their leader, so. Durandar. Revenge is taken. And what a beautiful song, man. I don't want to stop. Let me just say that Jasmine Sarlas and Satinder Sartaj complements each other so well. She had this high tone while she was singing. He had this mellow tone. Both of them had this equal balance that made the whole experience a wholesome one. And it was just so emotional. You could see the wife crying. The whole crowd was involved because he was the leader, right? Rahman the Khaith. His death followed a massive tragedy in their eyes, while it was revenge for us, right? But a loss is a loss, and through music, they had done justice to Rahman the Kedar. It was so beautiful. The instruments in the background just made it even more soft. Whole experience would be elevated once you're watching it along with the picture itself, like the whole movie. Then you would feel like, you know, it's a constant scene by scene change, and suddenly the music hits you. It would be so much powerful. I could imagine that, and their acting and all of it just makes it more real. The music. So let's just read the comments and then go to the next track. By the way, this song is trending on number. Which number was it? This song is trending on number 3 on the music trending charts. Now you know why. It's sentimental, it's emotional, it connects with the wider audience. And of course, Dhurandhar is a movie that people love so much now that you cannot not look away from the songs that they bring. Let me just read the comments now and then we can end this reaction after watching the next song as well. Okay, so there's another track upcoming, even if I forget sometimes. There is one more in line. We accepted Bahubali, we accepting Dhurandhar, and no more Tollywood or Bollywood. It's all about Indian cinema. Love when people are united. Like, no matter which genre, which language, where you're from, what do you do, all that matters is that we are together, we are Indians. I love love. Don't forget to like the video, show your unity with me. Okay. Theater experience, dead emoji. I'm sure it's gonna be dead ass. Of course, you all must have already went and watched the movie. Jealous. I'm waiting for it to be released on OTT. We'll definitely do fight scene reactions when it releases. Whole picture reaction would be too much because I heard the movie is like 4 hours long. If that's the case, guys, I don't think I can. 4 hours long, sitting and watching a movie. I need to lay down. I have back problems. Okay. Biggest problem with this song is that it's too short. It is. It was just like 2 minutes, I guess, right? Yeah. It's really short, but it was so sweet in that 2 minutes. It gives you all the feels that you need. Movie, 10 out of 10. Actor, 10 out of 10. Actress, 10 out of 10. Villain, 10 out of 10. Cast, 10 out of 10. And it's a whole list of directors, song, screenplay, action. Everything is 10 out of 10. And this is called absolute cinema. I know, right? Because everybody loves Dhurandhar. I have watched Dhurandhar, but Dhurandhar, The Revenge is something that I've yet to watch, and I can see how much it is being loved. This comment was added 8 days back. People are still on about this movie. They're coming back to watch these songs, and it's actually trending on number 5 for a reason, right? Number 5 or 3? Sorry, number 3. The number 5 is the other song that we're gonna watch next. This film literally finished YR of Spy Universe. This is there in every single YouTube description that we're watching. Why RF is being roasted badly. They probably weren't away now. Brain और कितनी बार सुनोगे, heart एक बार और. And you know, the heart always wins. Because this song is so beautiful and it needs to be heard worldwide. So you can keep sharing this video. Also watch on repeat the video on our channel. Okay. In my opinion, it's the most powerful music of Dhurandhar 2 album, and it's so strong because they had the strong vocals. The both of them were fantastic. The theater experience of the song is unforgettable, and I can see why. The music is also lit, the acting, and like other guy just a while back said, direction, acting, costume, action, everything is so perfect that of course you cannot forget this experience. That piano work, heart emoji, even I did tell you that, oh shit, the end of that song, it had a lot of piano work there. Each key that he was pressing, it was just so soft, so slow, and it did string my heart. It did. We can go to the next song now, which is Sai Abhyankar's Pavaramalli. Pavaramalli, okay? And it's a music video. It's trending on number 5 on the music trending charts. I'll just read the description and then we can go. Here's a music video of Pavaramalli sung by Sai Abhyankar, and one of you did mention that we have not checked out Sai Abhyankar on our channel. So this would be it, okay? And Shruti Hassan, lyrics written by Vivek, music composed by Sai itself, song is Pavaramalli, composed, sung, produced Sai. Singers, Shruti Hassan has sung the song. Interesting. We have before as well heard one of the Shruti Hassan songs, and she's great in singing. So this will be again one of her songs. I am very much keen to see how she sings this time. I've turned on the captions so we know what's going on, and I'm ready. Let's go. What's this? A celebration? Marriage? Wedding music. Okay, it's wedding. We've got a cute jump. I forgot to check who's the actor. No worries.
சில்ல சஞ்சாரி உன்னை எனக்கு நீ தாண்டி அதான் கணக்கு பூமேட உர மனக்க கட்டி கடி ஆத்தாடி என்ன எனக்கு ஆமாண்டி எல்லாம் எனக்கு நீ கூட்டி
He's flexing his girl.
கொடி நக்கல வச்சு தவள அடிக்க பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்கவா பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்கவா நான் பவழ மல்லிய கட்டிக்க நங்க குத்தினமான கட்டிக்கிட்டு வாசமுள்ள வச்சுக்கவா வாசமுள்ள வச்சுக்கவா அடியே ராணி ரெண்டா ரெண்டா காமத்தல கட்டல போடி அப்பக்கா கிரா காவத்த
It's definitely a dance song. Upbeat. Oh, she's got the energy. She definitely changed the vibe. I'm just watching them all dance. Those moves. And they have a lot of light setup on the sides. What was that? He just gave a rose and threw it away. Okay, it's the ring. Oh, I like that. Rose would not do now. Yeah, either way, getting married to her, I guess. It's a wedding song. It has to be. Definitely vibing. What is this girl's name? She seems very interesting. Sweet like sugar. That's why he dedicated the song for her. Makes sense. She's fire. Now my body's moving. The beats meeting me now. Hey, the sudden shots. Slow mo, please. Once more. Woo! Invisible. The petals. It's visceral. They're just giving them a small visual of what's going to happen in the future. Beautiful. Oh, it's not over. It was a dance beat, right? Like you wanted to dance. My shoulders started moving in the second half because in the first half I was just looking at the outfits, whatever is going on in the wedding, their vibes, so romantic. It was really one sec. a love track. Maybe my heart did not come out nice. Yeah, it was a love track. And they just had all the dance moves. They were vibing so hard together. You could see the chemistry. It was all there. It seems like they were visualizing a marriage together. I don't know, it was their actual wedding in the movie, or they were just two lovers celebrating somebody else's wedding. I have no clue, and they were just dancing. But he was definitely in love with her. He was complimenting her so hard that she's everything and everything to me, every small detail. And at the end, we did also see a small ceremony without a chain. We also saw another ceremony, but they did get engaged, I guess, to some point, because he gave a rose and then took it back and then was like a ring instead, because women love rings. Commitment, that's what we're looking for. So if you're not gonna commit, fuck off. Okay, guys, both the songs were great. I'll just read the captions of this one and then we can end it. May 19th attendance. I'm watching it on May 21st. Yay! Even I took my attendance. If you're here, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon so you can keep watching. Okay? Comment box, no. Calendar, yes. Oh shit, yeah. Rest of the comments below it, below his comments, are all like May 20 attendance, May 18th attendance, midnight, May 17th, anyway, May 15th. I see why that comment is so relevant, and all the comments are just that. Okay, let me just find something that's not the calendar. Cinema industries during normal days, Joker. Cinema industries during exam time. You should just go back to studying, because love doesn't work out, especially if you're in school and colleges. Just keep working. Just keep working on your subject, get good marks, because if you have no money, nobody would date you. You need the money for the ring, okay? I'm sorry, but I'm just telling you the hard truth here. Bro song while hearing it for the first time, Joker emoji. Bro song while hearing it at the 10th time, dead as emoji. Of course, like the first half of the song, even I was trying to get into it. It's the first time, so even I take my time to hear, understand all the beats, what's going on, what are they doing, what's the vibe, and it all checked out. It checked all the boxes. Understanding 0%, daily viewer 100%. You can still use the captions to understand what's going on. It just compliments. Beautiful compliments for the beautiful lady with the great energy, by the way, that stood out. Okay, and it's all attendance. The calendar is ongoing. Thank you so much, guys. If you did enjoy this reaction, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit on that bell icon so I can bring you guys more music videos. And the next one is gonna be there was something Dragon Glimpse. Yeah, we're gonna check out the Dragon Glimpse next. So stay tuned for that, which will be dropping today evening. The music video I'm planning to drop today afternoon. So stay tuned and bye bye.
No filter, I got no